I was asked to do like a beach ocean theme for my makeup. I have a few Pinterest things in mind, like this teal shade first. Alright, so I want to kind of blur out the edges on this with a lighter mintier angle brush, or like right here, and then like draw a little half cut. I'm gonna do a cut crease with some concealer, and I will go and talk to you guys about like what palette I used and all that afterwards. Okay, so I really want to get into a deeper blue, so we're gonna go in with this real quick, and I'm gonna put it under here. Yeah, I kind of want to play with a shimmer on the outer portion. I want to put this a little bit closer to the outer. Really liking this mint green in this shimmer shade. So I kind of want to take that right there. We're going to extend this out here. Okay. I just know they start with like a little brush and then they just try to do their best. I know I have to see this through, but I'm like, what are you doing, girl? This is actually kind of pretty. I am done with the eyes. As far as like no more eyeshadow. Maybe some jewels and beads and all that, and then for sure the artwork. I'm just gonna run down real quick what palettes I did use. That way, if you're even thinking that this look is something that you want to do for like party wise, whatever. So this is the Nomad Keys, Beachy, and Peachy. We have Route 66 Nomad. We have, honestly, don't even know how to pronounce that, but yeah. Anyways, a couple shades in here. Couple shades in here. I did show the first one. I forgot to show these two, and then we did use a couple of the blues in here. And this is the P.louise and Mikayala one. So I added some little gems, and now we're gonna get into the water painting. So I'm gonna add some pink and some yellow. So it's not waves. So we're gonna take a white. Like add the little swoopsy thing to like make it look like it's kind of. I'm not sure if this considers as waves or I don't know. I'm trying. It's my first time doing any beach ocean theme. Okay, we are adding a sun, and I'm gonna try to fade it out in the back too. Octopus time. Okay, so that's a circle. That's okay. We got his little head now. Oh my god, I actually did it. It's something I've never done before. That's completely out of my comfort zone. Can't even talk. And I'm really thinking that this guy did pretty well. And then I try to add in like the waves again and all that. Yeah, so I don't know. I think this is really pretty. It's kind of beachy, kind of oceanish. I don't know. I may have to wind up trying another time and playing around with like sea stuff and all that again. So okay.